A lot of people are now calling out the Speaker of the Oyo State House of Assembly because of the video that that circulated when he said that the terrorists are demanding so and so, even to amend their laws and so on and so forth. So I want to tell you what really happened. What the terrorists demanded is real. So this is not political. This is not that maybe some politicians are trying to frame some things. No, some politicians are not trying to frame some things about their demands. So stay with me in this video. Let me explain to you what is going on right now.
To bring these children and teachers back. If it was up to you, would you negotiate with terrorists? If terrorists ask for weapons, they ask for money, they ask for concession on future laws of this land as part of their ransom, if you are the governor, would you accept those ransom? Would you accept for those people to be integrated into that community? We don't know the details. So please, let's be sensitive and calm. You do not know the details. The more you negotiate with these people, the more you are going to embolden them.
This is Monday, June 8, 2026. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. All right. Last year, as part of my, responsibility to expand my knowledge on security, part of the courses I did was anti-kidnapping and hostage survivor. It is a course that you can even do less than $100. You buy the package and, they will teach you a lot of things in that course. So, during the course of the study, we came across psychological warfare and disinformation. And in this anti-kidnapping and hostage survivor, we are made to know that kidnappers, international terrorists, that they use what they call psychological warfare and disinformation. And what they taught us was, if the kidnappers intentionally leaked a fake list of radical demands, either the demands are real or fake, and then later they deny it, they are using this information to cause a public chaos, or they are testing ground to see people's reaction about what they intended to do, either to fuel a religious tension or to make the people not to trust the government and have sympathy on the terrorists. So there are a lot of things they taught us, and that also have a subtopic, extreme negotiation. So it is voluminous. It's not what I can just explain here. And that is not the purpose of the video. The purpose of this video is about the video of this woman. You must have seen the latest video trending, the woman in captivity. She was saying that the Bokøharam never demanded for, for Shária. They never demanded for, They never demanded for money. They just asked them to free their people in captivity. That is false. She was making that video under duress. The Bokøharam are controlling the narrative. When I saw the video of your State House of Assembly, the speaker was saying what they demanded. The speaker cannot come out to lie. Okay, let's assume he's lying, okay? The speaker cannot come out to lie that these people are demanding for Sharia. What is he going to gain? You understand? So the speaker of Oyo State House of Assembly was not lying, okay, from my own observation. So they tested the ground. The people who are working with the extremists, with the terrorists, they saw that people now came heavily and strongly against Islam. They now want to do a counter narrative. They now ask the kidnappers to deny that they did not ask for Sharia. These are the things we know. That is why sometimes it is important for you to have broad knowledge on insecurity. These people that are playing all these things in Nigeria, they know everything about what they are doing. When it comes to terrorism, these people are professionals. You people are dealing with professors in terrorism. And they use both psychological warfare and everything you can think or imagine. So when I saw the video, I say, yes, I know the game these people play. I know the script they are playing. Take a listen to the video.
Place. And it seems that some people are making our problems to be complicated already. We were shown some print media where it was stated that these people that abducted us requested for release of some people. They requested for 1 billion naira. They requested for Sharia to be entrenched in the country. These are not true. They are just trying to create problems for us. We have been here since. We have not been forced to worship in Islamic way. We have been left alone. They have not troubled us concerning that. They are not asking for Sharia law. They are not asking for money. The single thing they are asking for is the release of some of their people. I don't know why they are peddling this rumor to make it complicated for us. Please, we are just begging you, don't play politics with our lives. Nigerians, please help us to circulate this. Let it go viral. They are not asking for Sharia law. It is not true. They are not asking for weapons. They are not asking for money. All they want is the release of some people. And the government will negotiate with them and know those that they will release for them. I don't know why they are playing politics with our life. Please, Nigerians, our lives are in your hand. Help us make this go viral. Don't let the government deceive the whole world. They are not asking for Sharia. They are not asking for money. They are not asking for weapons. All they want is release of some of their people. Please, let everybody know about it. Ẹ dákun.
So, what I'm trying to tell people is this. You see, I am not part of the people anybody can deceive again. Before you deceive me, it is going to be very difficult to. I can entertain what you are saying. I can entertain what I hear. That does not mean I accepted it. You can come before me. You are lying to me. I keep quiet does not mean I accepted your lies. It's a strategy. So these people are just trying to, check how people will react. Now, everywhere this video was posted, there are a set of people that shared it. You will see 5,000 share, 10,000 share. Why are they sharing it? Something is going on. You people are not aware. Something is going on. These people are controlling the media. They are controlling everything. They want you to see what you want to see. They want you to hear what you want to hear. So this is what happened. All these things that are going on, it is a principles of war. We know them. We know them. Now, I want to shock you. It's not even a shock, okay? How can you say that you didn't demand what is your motto? Let me repeat that question. How can Bokøharam that kidnap people say that they denied that they didn't say they want to implement Sharia and that they want Sharia? Whereas that is your motto, that is your mission statement, to overthrow the Nigerian government, to install an Islamic state in Nigeria, which will be governed by Sharia law. So their mission, their only mission is to turn Nigeria to Sharia state. So coming out to say that Sharia is not part of what you demand is exactly what I told you people. Try to understand more about insecurity. It is very important. These people are professors. They deal with mind games. They control the tension. Like they want to, if they want to know how Nigeria will react, if they want to implement Sharia law, they will just put something there. They will control how many people are reacting. Okay. Yes, since we have, if we do it tomorrow, many people will not argue. Many people will not cry. Many people will not shout. There will not be chaos. That is what they are doing. And they are seeing the result of what they are doing, honestly. They are seeing the result of what they are doing. But you know what? The Nigerian government that we know, who imported these people into Nigeria, are to be blamed. Don't forget that you were told before that these people imported these terrorists into the country. What have you done about it?
I want to say that the day that the federal government wants insurgency to stop in Nigeria and in Benue State, it will be done. Unfortunately, I have consistently accused the federal government for being complacent. And I have proof to show to the entire world that federal government is complicit. Tell me, even me as governor of Benue State, attempted assassination was done on me for more than 1 year. Up to today, no culprits have been brought to book. And as I talk to you, even those that I was told as governor of Benue State that they were arrested, they have been freed. These are Fulani herdsmen or militia who were arrested, and they have been freed. the person they are prosecuting is my cousin and a Jukum fisherman who had no link with what happened to me when I was attacked more than 1 year ago. So this is the challenge that we have. The day that the federal government wants this insurgency and killings and invasion and taking over of our land by these Fulani herdsmen, any day that the federal government wants it will stop. But for now, I accuse them to be complicit because severally I have provided a solution and say that the way to go, can we have a security summit where Samuel Otom will be there to talk about the facts that are available in my own state? And then we can listen to other states who will tell us what has been going on in their state. And then we'll try to provide a solution if the federal government wants that. So today, I want to say that the federal government is complicit, and until they are ready to work with us, but because it is a planned agenda over 200 years ago that they have planned to take over Nigeria as their country, and it will continue to be. For some of us, we have chosen to say the truth. Even if we are going to die, let us die, and let tomorrow appreciate what we said. And so, as far as I'm concerned, the federal government is complicit. The day they want this insurgency to finish, it will be done. Actively, they are working with Turkey, they are working with Saudi Arabia, they are working with everything to Islamize. But the real agenda is to take over Nigeria. And all these insurgents that you see happening is from Mauritania, is from Senegal, is from Cameroon, is from all over the place, trying to ensure that the indigenous people of this country do not have a say, but the Fulanis have a say. We are not against Fulani people. In government here in Benue State, I have Fulani people who are in my government. I have no issue about Fulanis, indigenous people. Everybody in this country, Nigeria, comes from somewhere. Even the Tea people, where I govern today as governor, they come from somewhere. But we have settled. Today, because of the rise in population, there is nowhere you can say that the Tea people or Benue people should leave Benue State to go to Cameroon. Where is the land? To go to where? Where is the land? And so this is the main problem that we're having in this country. If this government will appreciate and stop deceit against the people, we shall all work as a team. Nigerians, wherever we come, let us cohabit and live together. But where a particular ethnic group wants to take over the country and make some of us slaves, I can never be a slave to anyone. It is better I die and not be alive. I cannot be a slave to any Fulani man. Fulani should live their life. The Tea people should live their life. The Yoruba people should live their life. Hausa people should live their life. Every other person should live their life. But not making me your slave